today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a black and white effect in Pixlr online. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Once Pixlr has loaded and your image is on, click the top left-hand screen and scroll down until you see Effect, or the fifth icon. Scroll down, click the first option, Black and White. In this case, you have a list of different effects to choose from. That doesn't look too bad. Agnes, Porter, Ole, Tom. You can even adjust the strength of the effect by dragging it to the left or dragging it to the right. As you can see, I'm dragging it to the left, we get less of the black and white effect. And I'm dragging it to the right, and we get more of the effect. And same thing with this. Kind of the point.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.